You like Trump? Good girl. You like Biden? Okay, good evening. I got a letter today. And it's for udx3.5. She's upstairs. It's late. She's upstairs. That's my dog, Nova. She's in the UDX club. She could be down here and she could open it, but she's probably tired all the hell. Where's that money owes me? That's UDX CB Radio Club. Don't say club though, but appreciate it. $3.90. What? I guess she has to sign it. I'll give her to sign it. Thank you. Appreciate it, UDX Club. Alright, later. Okay. The one, which was, I think, a one before, it's now straight full peel, and it's all back together. I raised the back of that board up and had to do a little modification to the screws. These here, to lift them up. Put another piece of phenolic down inside. New relays, new key-up circuit, new SO239s. This old one was in here for the, now by the way, when you hook that up, make sure the power's unhooked from it when you unhook it, because they will arc together in there and it'll be a hell of a mess. So anytime you have any of these jacks like this, don't hook them up with power on it. Unhook the power, hook this in, and then hook it back up. And then again, it could be wrong even then. This one here arced out to the case. You can actually see it, not this part, up inside there, and it burned it actually burnt my finger right there when it done it, and it burned a piece of wire up that was the amp wasn't even on. It got a little black spot back there, but didn't hurt it. I cleaned it up between that. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, we're back. We got on the phone. I hope it don't ring again. I don't know if I told. Put new SO239s in the back. I put another one of these. This is used, but I put it in there. The other one blew out. It arced when I turned it, then tightened it up. It arced out in there somewhere. It actually burnt my finger. Burnt the wire, but it didn't hurt nothing. But Teflon wire will burn. And there it is. Just shit happens with old stuff, so that's gonna get thrown in the trash. If I put it in something else, just arc again. New relays, new output cap, new wire here, new key up circuit, new wire pretty much out through the whole thing. Reused his transformers, his 1000 puff, but all the wires new, diodes new, 104s are new, power wires are new. It was his input transformer. 3 of these transistors is his. That one was blowed. So, grabbed another used one, put it in it. Hold on. Alright, we're back. The fan was in it back. I decided to flip the fan over. And I put a little silicone on each one of the screws so they won't fall out. I don't think it'll come by that. Put new wire on that. Put that to there. Just, only thing pretty much used was the 120s, the transformers. These are even new caps here, but that's a new cap. The 3/16 coax used that again. Nothing wrong with that. But so here you go. This is just radio drive. Alright, talk through. You don't want this to move. Hello. It barely moves. Let's see. Put the power to it. Alright. Amp off. Hello. So peak. Peak. Oh. About 30 watts or so going into it. Turn the amp on. Dicky at 100 is probably about 4 watts in it. Hello. So about 650 or so. Reflex down good. Hello. About a watt. Ain't too bad. Hello. 1. Hello. So RMS with this radio. Hello. About 225. I might play around with that input just a little bit. Oh, yeah, I might add a little cap to that. But anyways, there it is. Like I said, I turned the fan around. I'm trying to get him out cheap as I possibly can. With it, his fan's running, but it's got a little bit of a. It ain't off or nothing. You see it ain't off as it's running. But it feels like it's got a little bit of a vibration in it, but it ain't much. But it is to be noticeable. You feel it through the case a little bit. But I took up the gap in the back. You see that gap in the back's pretty much gone. There's a couple little holes in there, but it ain't bad. I've seen them a lot worse. But there it is. Woo! Oh.